Okay, hi. Now I'm going to Kalbang, which is interesting. Part is the sleeping bus. I never see anywhere else have a sleeping bus like this. They give you bed sheet like this, and it's really a sleeping bus. I'll show you. It's a double-decker sleeping bus. It's just like I love this bus so much. Hi guys, now I'm in the homestay close to the waterfall, Bangkok Waterfall, which is the beautiful waterfall in Vietnam, I would say. And it's very big waterfall, and it took me 12 hours to travel to here. Now I'm staying in the local homestay, which is very local. I'll show you around later in my YouTube channel. And I just alone in this homestay. I would prefer to have any other people, any other like traveler here. Quite frustrating because I'm alone, and most of the Vietnam people here couldn't speak English, so I have to use the Google Translate always. But it's fine as long they have a very good internet connection here. And the person who took care of this house is really nice to me. She cooked for me, and it's really good food. So I'm going to show you guys tomorrow the waterfall. Good morning guys. A cup of coffee, and a bowl of kind of rice noodle. Wow, this is awesome. Cook for me, that's nice.
Nếu mà không tiện thì qua nhà chị ở cũng được. Nhà chị cũng rộng mà. Sắp tới chị cũng có phòng nội bộ cho hướng dẫn với cả lái xe.
Okay, now I'm in a Bangkok waterfall. See, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. Tourists in China, which is they go on the boat there, but they cannot land in Vietnam. They just can float on the water. So I'm waiting someone to turn up here so I can get on the boat too. If I'm alone, it's so expensive. 150,000 dong if I'm go on the boat alone. So I need to wait some time. Finally, I can get on the boat because these two girls also on the boat with me, so I don't have to pay 150. So we'll see the waterfall closer now. This is my tourist guide. She's so nice. I'm staying at her homestay. I'm really recommended to stay at her homestay. She's really accommodating. Hi girls. Hi.
Malaysia.
Yeah. Okay, this is the temple close to the waterfall, which is you can see the waterfall from here. And we'll see, I show you the waterfall from the top of this temple because the temple is on the mountain that will show you the scenery around. This on the top of the mountain from the temple. You can see there is the waterfall that I was in before. And the view from the top, oh my god, this is amazing. Over there you can see China, and then here is Vietnam and a waterfall. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Chinese.
That is China.
Yeah.
So I'm really in the border of China and Vietnam, which is just 2 feet from China. I'm just 2 feet from China.
Yeah. You and me in Vietnam.
In Vietnam, and then there is China.
Yeah.
It's so fun. I'm on the border of China and Vietnam.
Yeah. You and me in Ban Dâu Waterfall. Ban Dâu Waterfall in here.
Yeah.
Down in here.
Ban Dâu Waterfall just down there. We are kind of like on the river up of the Ban Dâu Waterfall.
Yeah.
So we like now see China over there. Just over there, we cannot walk.
Yeah. Next year open tourist Vietnam and Chinese. Yeah, next year.
Next year, the border of China
open.
going to open, which is if you come here, you could bring your passport and of course you have to apply the visa.
Yeah.
One day, and then you can walk into China.
Yeah.
Just
morning go Chinese, afternoon come back Vietnam. Yeah. One day.
One day.
Tourist, yeah.
One day tourist pass.
Next year.
Next year. Wow, it's amazing. And now I see also the border stone over there that they put on the 18th century, and then they make up again on the 2001, which is crazy. The stone is still there, like hundreds of years. This is the stone from the 18th century they put for the border, and this they make up again for 2001. Oh, I mean, it's crazy because that is from the hundreds of years stone they put there, and then the sign's still there. Wow, this is amazing. Now we're at the entrance of the cave.
Yeah, so cold.
So we're going to get into this cave. It looked like a very tiny look there. So we're going to get into this cave and see what is inside. Today, the last night, me here, and then
Hello.
Hi, this is my new friend, all of it. And we're having a barbecue tonight, so this was so cool. See you in Hanoi. Bye.